sei.
Fogo no cu não se usa em português. Se manda, vai tomar no cu. Vai tomar no cu seria em inglês fucking US. Mais ou menos isso. É porque em inglês não tem muita pornografia, tem pouca. A maioria das coisas em inglês é fuck. I wanna fuck cab. Né? What?
So we had a mishap yesterday. We were going to vlog the entire time in Recife and Olinda, and we went all around the area, and the GoPro died. Not died because of the battery, died because this machine is a piece of crap.
And we got back home, took the battery out, put it back in, and it started working again.
Back in the day.
Day. We're going to the beach today in about an hour.
We're getting a little workout in. We're doing a lot of swimming, lots of walking and things like that. We're eating pretty healthy as well, lots of acai. So today we're gonna go to the beach. Let's get a nice little workout. Also, we bought a soccer ball because I used to be a professional soccer ball player and football in a past life. Oh. And this is the view. We're about to go to the beach, play some football. Right, Quinn?
Yeah.
He's taking a poop.
I'm getting out of the shower, actually.
He's pooping. Don't let him lie.
Alright, we are going to a beach. It's supposed to be a really nice one, about an hour away. And we're going with someone that we have never met, but it's a free ride.
Because what if she sees the video?
Anyway, this lady is going to take us. I was practicing Portuguese with her on this app, and she offered to take us because she happened to be in the same city. So, we'll see how this goes.
Tourist. Yeah. Ready for a beach day. Since we can't use the beach at our place without having to worry about sharks. It's kind of different. Can you hold my phone? Because I have sand.
It's a struggle. The towel.
Don't worry about me. I have no problem just going naked.
Mission accomplished. We are trying to get to a certain spot to see the sunset, and we took a little detour.
We drove. We didn't think it was gonna be like this.
This is our friend who drove us. Adventures in Brazil.
Flying the drone from here is everybody.
Oh, por lá.
This was a beautiful sunset, some beautiful shots, but the water is rising, so we must go. Here, oh, un momento. This is like Instagram couples.
Yeah.
Come on. You know the ones like this when they're like,
Yeah.
it's getting dark. So time to go back. See you next time. Shit. This bus station is far as hell. Our Uber is waiting outside. This elevator is slow as can be. This car is too small, so we gotta sit with our bags. One thing that is really weird about Brazil is you buy the bus ticket, they send you the electronic copy and they claim that it has to be printed. The first time we went, we printed, it didn't matter. Second time we went, we didn't print, it didn't matter. This is the third time, and they charged us 13 reais. This country is weird with transportation. You can bring liquids onto an airplane. They tell you 2 bags, you can bring 3, but they make you print a ticket that you get an email confirmation with all the information on it.
Era uma lá, viu? O rapaz vai descer aí.